Sawadika, hi everyone. Today let's make Kua Gling Gai or stir-fry minced chicken with red curry paste. This is a classic Thai southern dish and usually it's very spicy. But this recipe is not burning spicy. It leads with spicy, salty, then sweet. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We have minced chicken, big chili, de-seed and sliced diagonally, kaffir lime leaves. You need to fold this in half and take out the stem. We will be slicing this thinly later on. Sliced long bean, cooking oil, sugar, fish sauce, and red curry paste. I previously made a video on how to make your own red curry paste at home from scratch. The link to that is down below, or you can tap on the pop-up at the end of this video. So you're just going to gather some and rolling this. This will make the slicing a lot easier. Try to fold this tightly. Thinly slice this. The reason that we cut this thinly is because the leaves are tough. So the thinner the better. The other way is to fold it in half and we will be cutting it this way. It will get the same result. We are going to stir fry our red curry paste. Followed by some plain water. When your chicken is done, you can then add in your 2 seasoning ingredients. After giving this a taste test, and if you are satisfied, you can then add your long bean. Kaffir lime leaves and big chili. Stir in those 3, give it a good mix, and it's ready to be served. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.